Let's talk about Google reviews. Google reviews are fantastic for social proof, and what's more, they also appear up on your search engine results page when someone searches for your business or for a service or product within your local area. As we go international, Google reviews become less important on that basis. But at the same time, the more reviews we have, the more social proof we have that our business is kosher, is effective, and will provide a great product or service. Today, we're going to take a little bit of time to look through the process of how we can coax customers or clients to leave Google reviews for us, how we can make it much, much easier for them, and how we can keep that in the back of their minds. For example, I'm far more likely to leave a review for a supplier if they ask me. If they don't, I'm a busy person. I will probably forget. And the likelihood is many of your customers or clients would be more than happy to leave you a review. They just haven't had that little gentle, friendly nudge along the way. So without any further ado, I'm going to give you my 5 top tips for how you can get people to leave you reviews. Although this is for Google, this tactic, this approach can be transferred over to Facebook and other online review systems. Let's crack on.
In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how your customers or clients can leave Google reviews. Thankfully, the process is both quick and easy, especially if they have an active Google account. So let's get started. First up, go to Google Maps and search for the business that you want to review. Click on the business listing to open the business's page on Google Maps. Then click on the Write a Review button. If you are not signed into your Google account, you will be prompted to sign in. After signing in, you will see a form where you can enter your review. In the rating section, select the number of stars that you want to give the business. In the review text field, write your review of the business. Be sure to include specific details about your experience and try to be as objective as possible. If you want, you can also add photos of the business to your review by clicking the Add Photos button. When you are finished, click the Post button to submit your review. That's it. Your review will now be visible on Google Maps, and it will help other people make informed decisions about the business.
We promised you our top 5 tips for getting your customers over the line on this front, so here we go. Tip 1. Ask your customers. Encouraging customers to leave reviews is a great way to get more reviews on Google. Make sure to ask customers in person, via email, and other channels to leave a review to help increase your presence on Google. Tip 2. Make it easy. Make it easy for customers to leave reviews. Provide links directly to your Google review page, or provide QR codes so customers can easily access the page. Don't forget to provide instructions on how to leave a review and make sure it's easy to understand. You are welcome to refer them to this video. Tip 3. Respond to reviews. Responding to reviews shows customers that you care about their feedback. Be sure to take the time to respond to both positive and negative reviews in a timely manner. This will help to build trust with your customers and encourage more reviews in the future. Tip 4. Offer incentives. This one is a gray area, so be careful. Offer incentives for customers to leave reviews. This could be a discount code, a free product, or even a chance to win a prize if they leave a review. This will help to encourage more customers to leave reviews and increase your presence on Google. Just be sure to follow Google's guidelines for soliciting reviews, as offering incentives may well be in breach of this. If you have long-standing customers, then sure, you could consider offering them something nice as a thank you. Tip 5. Leverage social media. Share links to your Google review page on your social media channels and encourage customers to leave reviews.
So those are our top 5 tips for how you can get more Google reviews. And yes, I need to follow those tips with Pixelhaze. We sure will be doing so over the coming months. Hope you've enjoyed these. If you want more content like this, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll send more your way. See you next time.